Streams have whiskey.
Something about drinking. Now here's a song by the Pogues, lads. Hope you enjoy it. It's about getting drunk. I dreamed I met with Behan, I shook him by the hand, and we passed time of day. One question on his views, and the crux of life's philosophies he had, but these few clear and simple words to say. I'm going, I am going, I know which way the wind may be blowing. I'm going, I am going, where the streams of whiskey are flowing. Jump by the landing up in jail. Life's always tried to stretch me, but the road's always slack. And now that I've a pile, I'll go down to the Chelsea. I'm walking on my feet, but I'll leave there on my back. I'm going, I am going, I know which way the wind may be blowing. I'm going, I am going, where the streams of whiskey are flowing. See the waves of philosophies, there's nothing to be gained by a wet thing called a tear when life is too dark. And I need that light inside of me. I walk into a bar and drink 15 pints of beer. I'm going, I am going, I know which way the wind may be blowing. I'm going, I am going, where the streams of whiskey are flowing. Where the streams of whiskey are flowing. Thank you very much.